Healthy habits bring so many benefits to our lives, including a sense of mental discipline. And that's why this next man tells Jackie that jiu-jitsu is the perfect tool to help him live healthy.
Sometimes the best way to pick up a healthy habit is to see what works for others.
Hi, my name is Jim. I'm a real estate agent. My healthy habit is Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu because it makes me feel great.
So Jim, jiu-jitsu is a great healthy habit, but not one that everybody's familiar with. Would you consider it a martial art?
Absolutely. Jiu-Jitsu is submission grappling. So you're trying to get your opponent to tap out via choke or a joint lock, or you can win with points. There's no punching involved, so you can go as hard as you want and not hurt your opponent.
It's definitely got a lot of physical components, so I imagine it's a great physical workout.
Amazing cardio, and you use almost every muscle. You find you have muscles sore that you didn't know you had. I practiced a lot of different martial arts over the years, and it's the best, most effective.
Now, I would imagine it has a lot of mental benefits as well. It seems like it takes a lot of focus.
You get here early in the morning and you train and your head is just clear. It's a beautiful way to start your day, and after that, the battles during the day don't even really matter that much.
You're a real estate agent, you're busy. How do you fit this in?
6 a.m. class.
Wow.
You know, get it out of the way. It's a great way to start your day. It's all about the habits you create, and this is a great habit to get into.
You know, it seems like it's very advanced. You would need to know what you were doing, but anyone could start this. Anyone could try this if they wanted.
Anyone and everyone should start it. It's a great way to start your day. It's a very safe environment.
All right, well, I'm excited to see you in action here. If you have a healthy habit, share it with us on Facebook, Twitter, or tag us on Instagram, and you can see it featured right here on the show.
Do you want more living healthy content? Well, check out these videos right here, and then subscribe for more right here.